Hello, wonderful parents of my favorite students. Today I'm showing you how to use the little step-by-step. Your students are already using this in the classroom, and I just wanted to show you guys how you can use this with your students to help them be a more fully integrated member of your family. This is an assistive talking device, and it's very simple. You can use this in your home, and you can pre-record things that your student might say often, like, I need to go to the restroom, help me get into my wheelchair, or I would like a snack, things like that. You can record multiple messages on here, and you can click through here. I need to go to the bathroom. And it will go to multiple messages. So your student can click through until they get to the one that they'd like, or you could just have one message on here at a time.
I like to play guitar.
And it's pretty easy to record a message. You just go here on the back, and there's a little button right here, and you hold that down until the light shows up. And then you press this button right here, and you say something that you would like to record. And then you release the button, and it recorded it. So this is a really easy technology that you could use. You could also use this at social interactions like going to church or going to like a family dinner or something, and pre-record things that you think your student would like to talk to people about. Yeah, so this is one of our lesser expensive technologies, and you can find this online, and it's a great way to help your student to be more vocal and socially interactive. Thanks for watching.